China unveiled its latest flying car. This is not science fiction, it's reality, with cutting-edge design and smooth aerodynamic lines.
There has been speculation for years now that flying cars could be one possibility.
The future of transportation is here, and it's taking flight. Honda's groundbreaking Aspire flying car is making waves with its innovative design, hybrid engine, and an incredibly affordable price of just $4,999. Let's dive into how the Aspire is set to revolutionize the way we get around, bringing the dream of flying cars to life for everyone. Honda's revolutionary leap. Honda has made a monumental leap into the future of transportation with the introduction of the Aspire, a flying car that promises to change the entire landscape of personal travel. This is not just another futuristic concept. It's a tangible reality that will soon be available for consumers at a groundbreaking price. For decades, flying cars were confined to the pages of science fiction novels or the plots of high-budget movies, where only billionaires or secret agents could afford such luxury. But with the Aspire, Honda is doing the unthinkable, bringing flying cars to the masses, and doing so at an incredibly affordable price of just $4,999. What's more astonishing than the price is the technology Honda has packed into the Aspire. The Aspire is a true fusion of automotive engineering and aviation technology. It's a car that can take you from the road to the sky seamlessly, combining the practicality and reliability Honda is known for with the excitement and novelty of flying. The Aspire has been designed with a sleek, aerodynamic body that enhances its flying capabilities while maintaining the practicality of a road vehicle. With a hybrid engine that uses both electric motors and a small gas turbine, the Aspire offers a balanced approach to performance and efficiency. Not only does this hybrid engine deliver the necessary power to take off and fly, but it also ensures that the Aspire is environmentally friendly, providing an eco-conscious option for those who want to avoid traditional gas-guzzling vehicles. Honda's Aspire is truly a game-changer. It's redefining what we thought possible in personal transportation by offering a glimpse into the future of commuting, with the added bonus of a price that most people can actually afford. Imagine driving to work in a car that could effortlessly lift off the ground, bypassing traffic jams and soaring above the city skyline. This is the future Honda has unveiled with the Aspire, and it's poised to make waves across the globe. The Aspire isn't just a flying car, it's a symbol of innovation, affordability, and the future of transportation. Can the Aspire truly live up to its promises, or is Honda's vision of affordable flying cars too good to be true? The hybrid engine that powers the future. The Aspire's hybrid engine is the heart of this revolutionary vehicle, combining the best aspects of electric power and a gas turbine to create a propulsion system that is both efficient and powerful. The hybrid engine is what enables the Aspire to switch effortlessly between driving on the road and flying in the air. While many electric cars today rely solely on battery power for propulsion, the Aspire goes a step further by incorporating a small yet highly effective gas turbine that enhances both speed and range. The electric motor in the Aspire provides smooth acceleration, delivering instant torque to help the vehicle zip through the streets, while the gas turbine kicks in when it's time to soar through the skies. What sets the Aspire apart from other flying car prototypes is its ability to fly for up to 250 miles on a single charge. This is a significant achievement, as many electric vehicles today still struggle with range limitations. Thanks to its hybrid system, the Aspire eliminates concerns about running out of battery power while in flight, making it a truly practical option for everyday use.
That Maruti has been looking at hybrids, but what no one knew as to what extent they were looking at hybrids and what they were actually developing.
The combination of electric and gas power not only provides the Aspire with the range and flexibility needed for both short trips and longer journeys, but also helps reduce the overall cost of operation, as it doesn't rely solely on expensive battery replacements. In addition to its impressive range, the hybrid engine also contributes to the Aspire's eco-friendly credentials. With growing concerns about climate change and the environmental impact of transportation, Honda has ensured that the Aspire provides a greener alternative to traditional cars.
The hybrid car was considered a revolutionary step toward a less polluted future.
The electric component of the hybrid engine runs quietly, reducing noise pollution, while the gas turbine is designed to be fuel efficient, minimizing its carbon footprint. This makes the Aspire not only an exciting advancement in personal transportation, but also a more sustainable option for the environmentally conscious consumer. The hybrid engine is also incredibly efficient, using innovative technology to maximize energy use and reduce waste. With a combination of electric power for smooth cruising and gas power for greater liftoff and flight, the Aspire is designed to provide a balanced, efficient, and powerful performance. This hybrid technology allows it to seamlessly transition between driving on the road and flying in the air without compromising on performance or fuel efficiency. The Aspire's hybrid engine is a true marvel of modern engineering, but how does Honda make this flying car affordable while maintaining top-notch quality? Making the Aspire affordable, one of the most impressive aspects of the Aspire is its affordability. At just $4,999, the Aspire is priced far lower than any other flying car prototype currently on the market, making it accessible to a much broader audience. But how has Honda managed to produce a high-tech flying car at such a low price? The answer lies in their innovative approach to manufacturing. Honda's modular design strategy has been key to making the Aspire affordable. By using modular components, Honda can standardize many parts, which reduces the complexity and cost of manufacturing each unit. Think of it like building with Lego blocks. Each piece fits together easily, reducing the amount of time and labor needed to assemble the car. This approach allows Honda to ramp up production quickly and efficiently, which in turn lowers the overall cost of each unit. In addition to modular design, Honda has also embraced cutting-edge manufacturing technology to streamline the production process. The use of robotics and artificial intelligence in the factory helps to automate many of the tasks that would typically require human labor, reducing the risk of errors and increasing efficiency. Honda's factories are able to produce the Aspire in large quantities, allowing the company to leverage economies of scale to lower the cost of each car. This means that Honda can sell the Aspire at an affordable price without sacrificing quality or safety. Honda has also partnered with top-tier suppliers to ensure that the Aspire is built with the best materials available at the most competitive prices. By collaborating with leading tech companies, Honda has been able to source high-quality components at a fraction of the cost they would typically pay, which contributes to the Aspire's low price tag. This collaboration with suppliers allows Honda to maintain the performance and safety standards that their customers expect, while keeping costs down. Finally, Honda's focus on sustainable manufacturing practices also plays a role in the Aspire's affordability. By using lightweight materials and innovative construction techniques, Honda has been able to reduce waste during production, which further lowers costs. This commitment to sustainability not only helps the environment, but also makes it possible for Honda to offer the Aspire at a price that makes personal flying cars a reality for more people. Honda's manufacturing methods are revolutionary, but how does the Aspire stack up in terms of safety and reliability? The Aspire's autonomous flying technology. One of the most exciting aspects of the Aspire is its autonomous flying technology. Honda has integrated advanced artificial intelligence, GPS, and a suite of sensors to make the Aspire fully autonomous, which means that anyone, regardless of flying experience, can operate it safely and easily. This is a game changer for personal aviation, as it eliminates the need for a pilot's license and makes flying as simple as driving a car. The Aspire's autonomous flying system is designed to make flying not only easy, but safe. It includes a variety of sensors that monitor the vehicle's surroundings, as well as an AI system that can make real-time decisions to avoid obstacles, adjust altitude, and ensure that the flight remains smooth and stable. Whether you're navigating through busy airspace or adjusting your flight path to avoid bad weather, the Aspire's autonomous system is designed to handle it all. This advanced flying technology is complemented by a user-friendly interface that allows the driver to switch between driving and flying modes with ease. Whether you're cruising down the highway or soaring through the skies, the Aspire makes it simple to transition between the two modes, offering an experience that is both seamless and intuitive. And with its smart navigation system, the Aspire can even communicate with air traffic control, ensuring that it always follows the safest and most efficient flight paths. Honda has also integrated autonomous landing capabilities, which means that even in the case of an emergency or unforeseen event, the Aspire can safely land itself at a designated spot. This further enhances the safety of the Aspire, as it removes the potential for human error during critical moments of flight. The Aspire's emergency landing system is designed to ensure that you are always in safe hands, even in the most challenging circumstances. The Aspire's autonomous flying technology is impressive, but how does it ensure that every flight is as safe as possible? How Honda ensures every flight is secure. Safety is a major priority when it comes to the Aspire. Since flying is inherently more risky than driving, Honda has integrated an impressive suite of safety features to ensure that the Aspire is not only fun to drive and fly, but also one of the safest vehicles on the market. Honda understands that the success of the Aspire hinges on its ability to protect passengers, and they've gone to great lengths to develop technologies that make flying in the Aspire as secure as driving in a car. The Aspire is equipped with 8 small rotors for takeoff and landing, which provide stability and control when it lifts off the ground. These rotors are designed to be highly durable and reliable, with a fail-safe system in place in case one of them malfunctions. If one rotor fails, the others will automatically adjust to compensate, ensuring that the Aspire stays steady and can land safely without any issues. This backup system is a game-changer, as it eliminates the risk of a catastrophic failure during takeoff or landing. In addition to the rotors, the Aspire has 2 large rotors for sustained flight, which provide the lift needed for longer journeys. These rotors are designed to be highly efficient, using the least amount of energy possible to keep the car airborne. The combination of the small rotors for takeoff and landing, along with the large rotors for flight, makes the Aspire an incredibly stable and reliable flying machine. But the Aspire's safety features don't stop there. Honda has equipped the vehicle with advanced collision avoidance technology, which is powered by a combination of sensors and artificial intelligence.
So what we've got here is a rendering of the cabin that was developed in conjunction with Hyundai's design centers.
These systems are constantly scanning the environment for obstacles, whether in the air or on the ground, and can predict potential collisions before they happen. The Aspire's AI system can then make real-time adjustments to avoid these obstacles, ensuring that the vehicle stays on course and prevents accidents from occurring. This technology adds an extra layer of protection, allowing drivers and passengers to relax while flying, knowing that the Aspire is constantly monitoring its surroundings and making adjustments as necessary. If something unexpected were to happen, such as a malfunction or a sudden change in weather, the Aspire's emergency landing system kicks in. This system is designed to find the safest location to land and guide the vehicle down smoothly, even if the pilot is incapacitated or unable to operate the controls. The Aspire can autonomously identify a safe landing zone, taking into account the weather conditions, terrain, and any obstacles in the area. This feature is a huge selling point for those concerned about the potential risks of flying cars, as it offers an added level of reassurance that the Aspire is always looking out for the safety of its passengers. Honda's commitment to safety extends beyond just the tech. The Aspire's design also plays a key role in ensuring the safety of its passengers. The vehicle is constructed using lightweight but incredibly strong materials that can withstand the impact of a crash. The frame is reinforced to absorb energy during a collision, and the seats are built to provide maximum protection in the event of a sudden stop. Honda has also integrated multiple airbags throughout the Aspire to cushion the impact of an accident, further reducing the risk of injury to passengers. With these thoughtful design elements, the Aspire is truly built to protect its occupants. With so many safety features packed into the Aspire,
it's like this exposed kind of checkered carbon fiber. This entire vehicle.
Is this the future of transportation? Sleek and stylish. The Aspire's futuristic design. The Aspire isn't just a flying car, it's a design masterpiece. Honda has put a lot of thought into the aesthetics of the Aspire, creating a vehicle that is as visually stunning as it is functional. The smooth, sleek lines of the Aspire's body are more than just for show. They play a crucial role in its ability to glide through the air efficiently. The aerodynamic design minimizes drag, allowing the Aspire to fly smoothly and conserve energy during flight. This design is not just about aesthetics, it's about making sure the Aspire performs at its best. The Aspire's body is constructed using lightweight aluminum and composite materials, which not only make the vehicle strong and durable, but also help it maintain an efficient flying performance. These materials allow Honda to reduce the overall weight of the Aspire without sacrificing strength, meaning the vehicle can fly longer distances and use less fuel. This lightweight construction also contributes to the Aspire's affordability, as it helps keep production costs low. Inside the Aspire, the luxury continues. The cabin is designed to feel like a high-end lounge, with comfortable seating for up to 4 passengers. The soft premium materials used for the seats and upholstery create a relaxed and sophisticated atmosphere, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. The dashboard is a combination of traditional gauges and modern digital displays, allowing drivers to have all the information they need at their fingertips without taking their eyes off the road or the sky. In terms of customization, the Aspire offers a variety of options to suit the personal tastes of its owners. Buyers can choose from a range of colors, finishes, and add-ons, allowing them to make their Aspire truly one of a kind. Whether you prefer a more traditional look or something more futuristic, the Aspire offers a variety of customization options to ensure that every vehicle feels unique. The exterior design of the Aspire is equally impressive, with its sleek, curved shape that enhances its aerodynamic performance. Whether the Aspire is parked on the ground or soaring through the sky, it's sure to turn heads. The vehicle's futuristic look combines elegance with cutting-edge technology, creating a vehicle that not only performs exceptionally well, but also stands out as a symbol of the future of transportation. Honda's commitment to design doesn't just stop at looks. It's about creating a vehicle that seamlessly integrates form and function. Every curve, every detail of the Aspire is carefully crafted to optimize its performance while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing appearance. The Aspire is a true testament to Honda's engineering prowess, offering a combination of performance, luxury, and style that is unmatched in the world of flying cars. With such a beautiful and functional design, the Aspire is already turning heads. But how does it perform in the real world? Performance beyond expectations.
Initially, probably like most technologies, might be only available to the wealthy, but we'd like to quickly move to mass production so we can bring that cost down.
The Aspire isn't just a pretty face, it's a performance powerhouse. When it comes to flying cars, performance is everything, and Honda has gone above and beyond to ensure that the Aspire delivers an exceptional driving and flying experience. Whether you're cruising on the road or soaring through the air, the Aspire is engineered to perform at the highest level. On the road, the Aspire behaves like a traditional car, with smooth handling and responsive steering that make it easy to navigate through traffic. The hybrid engine provides ample power for quick acceleration, and the lightweight design makes the Aspire feel nimble and agile. Whether you're driving through the city or out on the open road, the Aspire's performance is sure to impress. When it's time to take off, the Aspire doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its advanced propulsion system, the Aspire can lift off with ease, transitioning from driving mode to flying mode in just a matter of seconds. The transition is seamless, and the hybrid engine provides the perfect balance of power and efficiency to ensure a smooth flight. Whether you're flying at low altitudes or cruising at higher speeds, the Aspire handles like a dream, offering a stable and comfortable ride. In the air, the Aspire's 8 rotors provide the lift and stability needed for smooth, controlled flight. The 2 larger rotors allow for sustained flight, while the smaller rotors ensure that the Aspire remains stable during takeoff and landing. The vehicle's advanced navigation system and autopilot capabilities make flying the Aspire as easy as driving, with the AI system handling much of the work for you. This makes the Aspire a truly user-friendly flying car, accessible to anyone, regardless of flying experience. The Aspire's range is another standout feature. With the ability to fly up to 250 miles on a single charge, the Aspire provides plenty of range for both short commutes and longer trips. The hybrid engine ensures that the Aspire can fly without constantly needing to recharge, making it a practical option for everyday use. Whether you're heading to work, going on a weekend getaway, or flying to a nearby city, the Aspire offers the convenience and performance you need. The Aspire's performance is impressive, but what about its green credentials? Let's explore how Honda is making the Aspire an eco-friendly option for the future of transportation. A green revolution. Honda has gone above and beyond to ensure that the Aspire is as eco-friendly as it is innovative. With growing concerns over climate change and the increasing need for sustainable transportation options, the Aspire stands out as a leader in green technology. Honda's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of the Aspire, from its hybrid engine to its materials and design choices. The hybrid engine in the Aspire is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. By combining an electric motor with a gas turbine, the Aspire reduces its reliance on traditional gasoline, cutting down on harmful emissions. The electric motor runs quietly, helping to reduce noise pollution, while the gas turbine is optimized for fuel efficiency, minimizing its carbon footprint. This dual power system makes the Aspire a more sustainable choice compared to traditional cars that run solely on gasoline. In addition to the hybrid engine, Honda has made a conscious effort to use eco-friendly materials throughout the Aspire's design. Lightweight aluminum and composite materials reduce the vehicle's overall weight, improving fuel efficiency and flight performance. These materials are also strong and durable, ensuring the Aspire's longevity while being less harmful to the environment than conventional materials. Honda has also implemented energy-saving features, such as regenerative braking, which recaptures energy during deceleration and stores it for later use. This reduces energy waste, increases efficiency, and makes the Aspire an even more eco-conscious option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. The Aspire's design also reflects Honda's commitment to sustainability. The vehicle is built using sustainable practices, with a focus on reducing waste during manufacturing. Honda has partnered with suppliers that prioritize sustainable production methods, ensuring that the Aspire's impact on the environment is minimized throughout its life cycle. Honda's efforts to make the Aspire green are impressive, but how does it handle the regulations and certifications needed to take off? Road to FAA approval. While the Aspire is an impressive feat of engineering, it faces significant hurdles in terms of regulations, particularly those set by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. The FAA is the governing body responsible for ensuring the safety and legality of all aviation technology in the United States. And since the Aspire is both a car and an aircraft, it must meet both automotive and aviation standards. One of the biggest challenges Honda faces in bringing the Aspire to market is ensuring that it meets the FAA's stringent safety requirements. The FAA's certification process involves a series of tests and inspections to verify that the Aspire is capable of operating safely in both driving and flying modes. This includes evaluating the vehicle's structure, performance, and safety systems to ensure that it can withstand the demands of flight. The Aspire's hybrid engine, which combines electric and gas turbine power, also requires approval to ensure it meets environmental standards and does not emit excessive pollution. In addition to safety, the FAA must also assess the Aspire's ability to operate in busy airspace. This means testing its autonomous flying system, ensuring that it can communicate with air traffic control, avoid other aircraft, and navigate safely through various flight paths. Honda has equipped the Aspire with advanced GPS systems and artificial intelligence to help it navigate and interact with air traffic, but these systems must undergo rigorous testing to ensure they work flawlessly in real-world conditions. Furthermore, the Aspire must adhere to strict noise regulations. The FAA has noise standards for aircraft, and since the Aspire will be flying in urban environments, its ability to operate quietly will be critical. Honda has designed the Aspire's 8 rotors and hybrid engine to run as quietly as possible, but they must prove to the FAA that these systems will not create disruptive noise levels that would affect nearby communities. Honda's commitment to making the Aspire FAA compliant goes beyond just meeting regulations. They're also working with the FAA to help shape the rules for personal flying vehicles. As the flying car market grows, there will undoubtedly be new regulations and policies that need to be put in place, and Honda is actively participating in these discussions. By collaborating with the FAA, Honda hopes to not only get the Aspire approved, but also to contribute to the development of a regulatory framework that can support the broader adoption of flying cars in the future. With the FAA's approval being such a challenge, how does the Aspire compare to the competition in the flying car race? Competing with the best. As Honda prepares to bring the Aspire to market, it enters a highly competitive and rapidly growing market, the flying car industry. While the Aspire's affordable price and innovative features have generated significant buzz, Honda is not the only player in the game. A number of other companies, including high-profile names like Tesla, Boeing, and Airbus, are also developing their own flying car prototypes, each vying for a piece of the future of personal aviation. One of the biggest competitors to the Aspire is Tesla, with its plans to develop an electric, self-flying car. Tesla's flying car concepts are highly anticipated, and the company's reputation for groundbreaking innovations in electric vehicles and autonomous driving gives it a strong position in the flying car race. However, unlike the Aspire, which combines a hybrid engine with advanced flying technology at an affordable price, Tesla's flying car is likely to come with a much higher price tag, limiting its appeal to the general public. Boeing and Airbus, two giants of the aviation industry, are also working on flying car prototypes. These companies have the advantage of decades of experience in aerospace engineering, and their vehicles are likely to be highly sophisticated and capable of handling long-distance flights. However, much like Tesla, Boeing and Airbus are focusing on developing flying cars for high-end consumers and businesses, which means their products may not be as accessible to the average person as the Aspire. What sets the Aspire apart from its competitors is its combination of affordability, safety, and ease of use. At just $4,999, the Aspire offers a price point that's accessible to a wide range of consumers, making it a realistic option for anyone interested in personal flying vehicles. The Aspire's hybrid engine, autonomous flying technology, and cutting-edge safety features also give it an edge in terms of performance and reliability. In a market that is still in its early stages, the Aspire's combination of affordability and high-tech features positions it as a serious contender for the future of personal flying. Additionally, Honda's reputation for reliability and innovation in the automotive industry gives the Aspire an added layer of credibility. While other companies may be making bold promises, Honda's track record in producing safe, dependable vehicles speaks for itself. This reputation could give the Aspire an advantage as it enters the flying car market, helping to build trust with consumers who may be hesitant to invest in a new technology. With so much competition, how does the Aspire's price and features stack up against the rest? Changing the future of transportation. The Aspire's introduction into the market is set to change the landscape of personal transportation as we know it. For years, flying cars have been the stuff of dreams, seen only in science fiction movies or futuristic concept designs. But with the Aspire, Honda is making this dream a reality, and at a price that is accessible to the masses. This has the potential to disrupt not just the automotive industry, but the entire transportation ecosystem. One of the most significant impacts of the Aspire's introduction is the democratization of flying cars. Traditionally, flying vehicles have been limited to the ultra-wealthy or military use, but Honda is bringing the technology to the average person. The Aspire's affordable price tag of $4,999 means that a much broader segment of the population will be able to experience the freedom and convenience of personal flying. The ability to bypass traffic, soar above cities, and travel longer distances without the hassle of traditional driving or flying is a game changer for commuters, businesses, and travelers alike. The Aspire's arrival also has the potential to reshape urban transportation. With cities becoming increasingly crowded, traffic congestion has become a major issue for residents and governments alike. The Aspire could provide a solution to this problem by offering a viable alternative to traditional road vehicles. By flying above traffic, the Aspire could dramatically reduce travel times, increase efficiency, and improve the quality of life for commuters. Furthermore, the Aspire's hybrid engine and eco-friendly design provide a glimpse into the future of green transportation. As concerns over climate change and environmental sustainability continue to grow, the Aspire's ability to combine electric power with a gas turbine offers a more sustainable option than traditional vehicles. With its ability to run on both electricity and fuel, the Aspire reduces emissions and helps to minimize the environmental impact of transportation. This makes it an attractive option for those who are looking to make more eco-conscious choices without sacrificing performance or convenience. The Aspire is undoubtedly a groundbreaking vehicle, but what's next for flying cars? The future of transportation is taking off, and the Aspire is leading the charge. Will flying cars become a part of our everyday lives? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.